Thank you for your interest in DataMotion. In this video presentation, we're going to look at our identity validation service, often called IDVS. DataMotion Identity Validation Services, or IDVS, is an automated web service that provides identity proofing using multi-factor authentication. The service is intended to be integrated into applications, such as mobile apps, to enable self-enrollment when subscribing to a new service. Those services would be anything that require an elevated level of user authentication or validation. Specifically, the IDVS is designed to meet or exceed identity validation at a NIST LOA 3 level. As part of the automation, common datasets are used for enrollment. Information like names, address, date of birth, etc. are automatically captured using OCR, with the source being a standard form of identification such as a driver's license, health plan membership card, etc. The service validates the information in real time against the appropriate database and also matches the photo identification against a real-time image. This could be a selfie or some other photo. Out-of-wallet knowledge-based authentication questions, aka KBAs, can also be presented and confirmed from an online database record for additional ID proofing, items such as your hometown, street address, or your mother's maiden name. At this time, we're going to start a demonstration about a basic workflow using a wireframe sequence. In this example of the DataMotion IDVS, we're using this for an enrollment process for direct secure messaging, both a health information email service which requires identity verification at LOA 3. In this simulation, there's a three-step process used to validate the subscriber's identity prior to us issuing a direct secure messaging address. In the first step, we're going to capture images of two pieces of standard issued ID cards, the first being a photo ID, and the second one being possibly a health insurance card, and then a corresponding self-photo, or a selfie, which will then be used to verify the driver's license image. So here we can see we're taking a picture of the front of our driver's license. We're now going to take a picture of the back of it, or this could be a second form of ID, such as that health insurance card. And then the third component is we're actually going to take a self picture because we're going to validate that this picture matches against the one that's on the form of ID. The second step is that we need to confirm the information that's been automatically captured from that ID. Here we can review the name, address, date of birth, etc. And then we can also see that we need to then answer questions that are going to be considered as out-of-pocket questions, things such as how long have you lived at your current address, what are the first two digits of your social security number, and then what are these hospitals are closest to the one that we saw on your driver's license. At this point, we're going to go ahead and require an email address so that way people can go ahead and send notifications such as a password reset or any account status emails provided here. And now we wait, and then the system will automatically in real time validate all of the information against our subscriber databases and provide you with a confirmation message directly inside your application. For more information about platform and services, please take a look at our website. If you're interested in discussing any of the solutions you've seen and how we could work with you or your organization, please feel free to call or email us.